Welcome to this 5-minute meditation to re-center and clear your mind. You don't need a long session to find peace. Just a few minutes to breathe and reset. Thank you for taking this time to care for your inner calm. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight, feeling grounded. Rest your hands gently on your knees or lap. When you're ready, close your eyes. Bring your focus to this moment, letting everything else fade away. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any clutter in your mind. Inhale again, slow and steady. And exhale, releasing any tension or scattered thoughts. One more time, inhale deeply. And exhale, clearing your mind with each breath. Now, let your breath flow naturally. Simply notice each inhale and each exhale. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Don't hold onto them. Just let them pass like clouds drifting by. Return to your breath, your anchor to this moment. With each inhale, feel your mind becoming clearer. With each exhale, feel your body soften and your heart lighten. Let each breath guide you to a quiet sense of gratitude. Feel thankful for this moment of stillness, for your breath keeping you centered, and for your mind growing clearer with every exhale. Stay with your breath for a moment longer, feeling calm and re-centered. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and clear. Carry this calm with you into your day. Thank you for breathing with me. Thanks for tuning in to the greatest stories never told. I really hope your day will be fantastic, amazing, and full of opportunities, and your resting and calmness will bring such a clarity and good in your day. Thank you.